Yeah.
Okay, ready? Make sure like your back is like. Come on! Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. My socks are wet! Dirty! You're getting my holster dirty!
I thought that was your phone.
Look what you did to my jacket! Look, world!
What's your I thought she broke her neck right there. I was like, I think it's time to go back inside. Hurry, let's lock him out. Oh, you want me to videotape it? Kelsey, hurry!
I can't get off! When did you realize you had to lay on all this to watch the movie? You're not going to be able to do that.
Hey, I want to play hide and seek now. Hey, you forgot his pillow, so we'll just leave it out here.